Imagine this. You look up at the night sky and there's no moon. No soft glow, no crescent, no full moon, just darkness. For most of us, the moon is a silent companion in the sky. But what if it simply disappeared, vanished without a trace? This might sound like the plot of a science fiction movie, but exploring this scenario reveals how deeply intertwined the moon is with life on Earth. From ocean tides and wildlife behaviors to the very tilt of our planet, the moon shapes our world in more ways than we usually notice. So let's journey through this thought experiment. What if the moon disappeared tomorrow? The first thing we'd notice, emotionally and visually, is the eerie change in the sky. The moon is the second brightest object in the sky after the sun. Without it, stargazing would improve, but everything else would be pitch dark. No moonlight walks, no man in the moon, just blackness. For millennia, the moon has been a symbol in art, religion, literature, and romance. Its sudden disappearance would cause global psychological unease and cultural mourning. It's like losing a part of our planet's soul. Many calendars, especially older or religious ones, are based on lunar cycles. Islamic, Jewish, and East Asian cultures use lunar or lunisolar calendars. Without the moon, these timekeeping systems would lose their celestial anchor. Let's get into the science. The moon's gravitational pull is the primary driver of ocean tides on Earth. The moon pulls water toward it, creating high tides. As Earth rotates, the tide bulges move. The sun contributes, but the moon is 2.2 times more influential. What happens without the moon? Tidal ranges would reduce by more than 60 to 70%. Some coastal ecosystems, like tidal marshes and estuaries, would collapse. Shorelines would stabilize unnaturally, possibly affecting tourism and erosion cycles. Many marine species depend on tides for breeding, feeding, and migration. Corals that spawn with full moons would be disoriented. Sea turtles and horseshoe crabs, which use the moon to time nesting, might see population declines. The moon isn't just a pretty rock in the sky, it's Earth's stabilizer. Why axial tilt matters? Earth's tilt, about 23.5 degrees, gives us seasons. This tilt is stabilized by the moon's gravitational pull. Without the moon, Earth's tilt would wobble wildly. Over thousands to millions of years, Earth could tilt anywhere from 10 degrees to 85 degrees. Extreme weather. More tilt could mean hotter summers and colder winters. Less tilt could mean no seasons at all. Climate collapse. Ice ages could occur unpredictably. Equatorial regions might become uninhabitable deserts, while the poles could thaw or freeze at random. The moon is slowly slowing Earth's rotation through tidal friction. What if it's gone? Earth would spin faster. Without the moon's braking effect, Earth's day would shorten, potentially down to 6 to 12 hours over millions of years. What would that mean? Faster winds due to stronger Coriolis effects, more earthquakes and volcanic activity due to faster internal motion. Biological rhythms of plants and animals would be disrupted. Many species rely on the moon for navigation, behavior, and biological timing. Some birds use the moon's light and position for nocturnal migration. Sea turtles hatch at night using the moon's reflection on water to find the ocean. No moonlight equals confusion. Birds might get lost, crash into man-made light sources. Hatchlings might move inland instead of toward the sea, leading to mass deaths. Predators that rely on moonlight for hunting or hiding would have to adapt or die. The moon has been central to human history and identity. No more mid-autumn festival, Ramadan moon sightings, or full moon parties. For those who believe in the moon's influence on behavior or fate, its disappearance would be an existential crisis. Songs, poems, films, and memories tied to the moon would become ghostly reminders of a lost companion. The moon is symbolically significant in many religions. Its absence could shake spiritual beliefs and cosmologies. Solar and lunar eclipses are celestial wonders. They also teach us a lot about orbital mechanics. Lunar eclipses, gone, can't happen without the moon. Solar eclipses, also gone. The moon perfectly covers the sun during total eclipses due to a rare size-distance ratio. No other object gives us this. Scientific loss. Eclipses have helped humanity understand gravity, light, and even test Einstein's theories. A moonless sky ends those natural experiments. The moon also subtly affects Earth's orbit and the shape of its path. Without the moon, the gravitational interaction that keeps Earth's orbit nearly circular could degrade over time. Our orbit might become more elliptical, possibly changing distances from the sun and creating harsher seasonal contrasts, lunar debris, and repercussions. If the moon exploded instead of just vanishing, Earth could be bombarded by its fragments. Mass extinction-level events are possible. Beyond the physical and biological effects, there's something harder to quantify: the emotional void. No more lunar landings. Apollo footprints would become relics of a missing world. Children would grow up without it. No "I love you to the moon and back." No moon in nursery rhymes or fairy tales. Star charts rewritten. Our entire orientation of the night sky would have to change. The moon's influence might have been critical to life forming at all. Tidal pools. Early life may have begun in tidal pools caused by the moon. Axial stability. Without the moon, Earth may have had wild climate swings, too harsh for complex life to evolve. Alternatives? Mars has tiny moons and seems far less stable. Venus has none and it's a hellscape. So if we had never had a moon, we might not be here at all. So what if the moon disappeared tomorrow? We'd lose more than just a beautiful object in the night sky. We'd lose our tides, our stable seasons, our mythologies, and perhaps our very identity as Earthlings. The moon is not just a passive observer in our cosmic journey, it's a quiet protector, a stabilizer, a timekeeper, and a symbol of wonder. Next time you see the moon glowing above, remember, without it, we might not even exist.